Hello foodies! Today we're going to make chicken sandwich. So I have listed the ingredients. Note it down. Yet it is an unhealthy snack. You may have it once in a week just for fun. So without further delay, let's get into the process of making this. Truly saying, it was so delicious and most importantly it was spicy. So these are the ingredients I used. I've listed these names in the ingredient section, but I forget to mention the pepper, so please note it down. I've used pepper also. So yeah, this is after cutting down those ingredients. Now let's get started. I have used the iron pan. I've used 3 tablespoons of oil. You may use butter or anything of your own choice. Add some curry leaves, 1 onion big size. Saute it out for 3 minutes. Add some salt for easy process. So we may require that golden brown color of onion. So I added some more oil and add some ginger, garlic and chilies, green chilies, and sort it out along. Next I mixed it up with the onion. Now add some tomatoes. I've taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Now add up those masala, salt, turmeric powder, pepper and chicken masala, garam masala according to your requirements. So I have added 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional, you may skip. And I've added some coriander leaves. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, not more than that. It will mess up the dish. So now take it out. Add some butter, and I have taken very little chickens as that is not healthy. Sort it out, and you may boil it also and then you may crush it, but I have sorted out with butter. I was making it into thin slices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce and some coriander leaves and some chili flakes. Again, I'm saying chili flakes is optional because it will make your dish more spicy. And add some salt. Last, finally add a bit of soy sauce and please switch off the flame and take it out. Add it in the bowl which you added the masala. Now add some butter, and I'm using 1 egg in order to make it a layer sandwich. This is optional, you may skip this egg process. Those egg lovers may require it with a chicken sandwich. Saute it by adding a bit of salt and also pepper. Now I'm toasting it. First I've taken the bread slices and apply some tomato sauce in it. I don't use soy sauce for toasting, so I've just applied some tomato sauce and added some chili flakes. Again, I'm saying this is optional. I like spiciness, so I've added, and add some butter inside so that may melt when we toast it. Add those onion masala, then add chickens upon that. Then you may add the cooked eggs. So Trust me, this was really amazing, and this was super tasty and delicious, and it was yummy, yummy, yummy. So in the process of garnishing, I've added some coriander leaves. You may skip it, but you may toast it in a tawa also, but I have used the toaster today as I had it. Downer section I've added butter. After 2 minutes, when the green light passes, the switch is ready. So I've added some, because in the upper part I didn't add the butter, no? So final stage I added it. So here it is, our delicious sandwich. So I'm serving it. I used to always serve whatever dish I make, the ingredients will be loudly served to make them taste. So I've presented the ingredients also, like those onion masalas and some chickens, that fried chicken, and the eggs will be separately served. This you may try this, like when you eat the sandwich with this ingredients known, that will be really yummy. Do it in a weekend and surprise your family, friends, and your loved ones. So I hope you guys will try this and let me know in your comments if there is any mistakes in this recipe or about your reviews on this recipe. Anyway, this is unhealthy, so you may take it once in a week. So on that day, I served myself with some juicy orange juice, as it was a weekend. So yeah, finally this was my presentation. So let me know in the comments how was my presentations and all that. But this particular one only youngsters may eat. You may not serve it to your children because it is so spicy. I've ate it and experienced, so I'm saying this was a little spicy because I've added, in each process of making, I've added the chili flakes because I like that flavor much and more. So the spicy lovers may do try. You want to try this recipe. So yeah, that's it. This is how I presented it, and this was the time where I tasted, and it was really delicious, really delicious. Yeah. See how smooth, like that spiciness in that egg. That egg was a main ingredient that was dominating, it was superb. Okay, foodies, so thank you for watching. So let me know in comments about your reviews on this recipe, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.